Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. This video is designed for everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your existing routine. Inside, you'll find proven workouts that cater to various fitness levels, from strength training to cardio and flexibility exercises. We'll also share essential tips on nutrition, recovery, and motivation to keep you on track. With a focus on sustainable practices, this guide aims to empower you to create a balanced lifestyle that promotes physical and mental well-being. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Tailored workouts. Tailored workouts are essential for your fitness journey. Unlike generic routines, tailored workouts are designed specifically for you, considering your goals, fitness levels, and any unique needs you may have. This personalized approach not only maximizes results but also reduces the risk of injury. By effectively targeting specific muscle groups, tailored workouts promote balanced muscle development and enhance your overall physique, helping you build lean muscle and improve endurance. Plus, they keep your routine fresh and engaging, which is crucial for maintaining motivation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, incorporating tailored workouts can lead to significant improvements in strength and body composition. So, if you're ready to see real changes and elevate your fitness game, consider customizing your workouts. Strength training. Strength training is not just about building muscle. It enhances your overall health by increasing metabolism, improving bone density, and boosting your mood. By incorporating resistance exercises into your routine, you target specific muscle groups, which leads to balanced strength development and better body composition. This form of training also helps prevent injuries by strengthening the muscles around your joints. Plus, you'll see improvements in everyday activities, from lifting heavy groceries to playing sports. Whether you're using free weights, machines, or bodyweight exercises, strength training is essential for all fitness levels. So, if you're looking to sculpt your physique, increase your strength, and enhance your overall well-being, start incorporating strength training into your workout regimen. Cardio options. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, swimming, and even dancing elevate your heart rate and improve cardiovascular fitness. Each option offers unique benefits. Running can increase endurance, cycling is low impact and great for toning legs, while swimming provides a full-body workout. High-intensity interval training is another fantastic choice, combining short bursts of intense activity with rest periods for maximum calorie burn in minimal time. The best part? You can mix and match these options to keep your workouts fresh and exciting. Whether you perform the outdoors or a gym setting, finding a cardio routine that you enjoy will help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness journey. So, lace up those shoes and discover which cardio option suits you best. Flexibility and mobility. Flexibility refers to the range of motion in your joints and muscles, while mobility is about how well your body moves through that range. Incorporating stretching exercises and dynamic movements helps prevent injuries, reduces muscle soreness, and enhances your athletic performance. Improved flexibility allows you to perform exercises with better form, leading to greater strength gains and muscle development. Plus, it can make everyday activities like bending, lifting, and reaching much easier. Regular mobility work, such as yoga or dynamic stretching, increases blood flow and prepares your body for workouts. So, if you want to enhance your fitness, prevent injuries, and feel more agile, make flexibility and mobility a priority in your training. Nutrition basics. Understanding how to fuel your body is essential for achieving your health goals. A balanced diet should include a variety of macronutrients, carbohydrates for energy, proteins for muscle repair and growth, and healthy fats for overall wellness. It's also vital to incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Hydration plays a key role too. Drinking enough water helps maintain energy levels and supports digestion. Learning to read food labels can empower you to make informed choices. Remember, nutrition isn't just about restriction, it's about nourishing your body to perform at its best. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods and listening to your body's hunger cues, you'll be on the path to improved performance and well-being. So start integrating these nutrition basics into your daily routine. Goal setting. Setting clear, achievable goals gives you direction and motivation, making it easier to track your progress. Start by defining specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or improve endurance, breaking these goals into smaller milestones can keep you focused and energized. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small, to maintain motivation. Remember, setbacks are part of the process. Don't let them discourage you. Regularly reassessing your goals allows for adjustments as your fitness level evolves. By creating a roadmap for your journey, you'll stay committed and inspired to reach your ultimate fitness aspirations. So, grab a pen and start outlining your goals today. Recovery strategies. Recovery is just as important as your workouts, helping your muscles repair, reducing soreness, and preventing injuries. Start with proper hydration and nutrition, focusing on protein to aid muscle repair and carbohydrates to replenish energy stores. Incorporating rest days into your routine allows your body to recover fully. Stretching and foam rolling can improve flexibility and alleviate tightness. While practices like yoga promote relaxation and mental clarity, sleep is also crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to support recovery and overall performance. Don't underestimate the power of active recovery, like light walking or swimming, to keep your body moving without overexertion. By prioritizing these recovery strategies, you'll enhance your performance and make sustainable progress in your fitness goals. So, make recovery a priority. Motivation tips. Staying motivated can be challenging, but setting clear and achievable goals is a great start. Break them down into smaller milestones to celebrate progress along the way. Find a workout buddy to hold you accountable and make exercising more enjoyable. Mix up your routine with new activities or classes to prevent boredom and keep things fresh. Keeping a fitness journal can help track your achievements and feelings, reminding you of your progress during tough times. Remember to focus on the positives. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Surround yourself with supporting people and inspirational content, whether it's books, podcasts, or social media. Lastly, don't be too hard on yourself. Setbacks are part of the journey. By implementing these motivation tips, you'll stay committed and energized in reaching your fitness goals. Home workouts. Home workouts offer convenience and flexibility, allowing you to exercise anytime and anywhere. You don't need a lot of equipment. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges can be incredibly effective for building strength and endurance. You can also incorporate items you have at home, like water bottles or backpacks filled with books for added resistance. Consider following online workout videos for guidance and inspiration. To keep things interesting, mix up your routine with HIIT sessions, yoga, or dance workouts. Creating a designated workout space can help you stay focused and motivated. Thanks for joining us in the Ultimate Guide to Fitness. We hope you found some valuable insights and practical tips to elevate your fitness journey, no matter your current level. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your goals. Whether you're trying new workouts, setting SMART goals, or focusing on nutrition, every step counts. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep moving, stay motivated, and see you next time.